Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. In today's video, I am going to show you how I take this look to the next level. I'm going to bump it up with a black from the lip bar. And I'm going to change this day look to a night look. We are going party dancing. It's holiday time. We're gonna have some fun. This eye look, I use 4 colors. These 4 colors right there from the Masquerade palette by JUVIA'S place in this palette. So I use this as my base, this on the outer corner this way, this is in the brow bone, and this color right here is on the inner corner this way. So that's what I have, but now I'm gonna change it from day to night. And I use the JUVIA'S place foundation, and we'll use the highlighter. I use the JUVIA'S place lipstick, but we're gonna change the lipstick also. So let us start with the outer corner. We wanna change this look and make it va-va-va-voom. And if I need to add more color, if I lose color, I will add more color. One is darker than the other, so we gotta go fix it. Fixing it, fixing it. I'm going back into the brown, which is my first color, my base, and I'm going to go on the edges again like this to smooth it out and fix it. Now I'm going back into this one, which is my middle color, because I need to add it and make it sparkle. That's this color right here. Going back into my third color right here, which is in the inner corner. I'm going to use that. Just blending, 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 blending. We're just fixing everything. I'm going to change lipstick. This is Doo-Doo, the color black. I'm going to use this blush. I'm changing the blush to match the look and this one, because we are going out, so we gotta look the part. Remember, at night there are lots and lots of light, so I'm going heavy, so when the light hits my face, it don't just wash me out. I'll have some color. And I'm going to use the highlighter. This time I'm going heavy on highlighter. This highlighter is very pretty. I used it in the previous video. And I'm back with the complete changeover look. I use all these 4 colors before, and I added these 2 colors right here. This is the look. I changed the lipstick, the blush. I add 2 colors to the eyes and make it this. I add more highlighter, and I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to party, party, party. Yay! Today's word is self-love. Self-love. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. These are the colors I use. to create this eye look. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. When you do, that helps my video on YouTube, and it helps YouTube to push out more of my videos. Bye! Bye, bye, bye. See you soon.